Here in Wokingham, this precision engineering house has been going for over 60 years, and we're going to find out how they've added another string to their bow with a wire EDM machine from Eurospark that's helping cut lead times, car by cost, and delight their customers. Let's go inside and find out how.
Yeah, so buying this KMWAY machine from Eurospark is another string to our bow. A part of the package that we offer our customers. We are a one-stop shop for quite complex engineering solutions.
The support we got from the day it landed was superb. We were up and running with a job within 4 hours.
Thank you so much for having us on site, Andrew. Tell me a little bit about Duncan Lynch Precision Engineering.
Okay, the company was formed by my father in 1960, so 66 years on the clock and counting. I've been with the business 40 years, very used to buying new equipment, speccing new machinery. We've developed into a sort of a very specialised precision machining company, but we also manufacture finished assemblies, and our customers like us. It sets us apart from other machine shops.
Yeah, you've got some really nice, some fascinating oil and gas components around the site. You've just bought a wire EDM machine from Eurospark. Tell me about the process that led you down to deciding you needed some in-house wire capability.
Order book increase. I've always known what wire cutting could do for us, and we've subcontracted it out for many years, but having the opportunity to bring it in-house, specifically on this particular job, which is all in Inconel, and we were spending a lot of money on carbide cutters. Wire cutting was a good option, so I set out to find a machine that would do the job for us. And Eurospark popped up, so I went to see them. Really liked what the machine looked like, really liked the offering. Looked at a couple of others, but actually it does what it says on the box. Well, one of the deciding factors was the timeline. Other suppliers couldn't even tell me how long it would take to get a machine. I went to see Andy and Ryan. They had a machine in the workshop which was running when I got there, and basically I said, I want to buy that machine, and they said, yeah, okay, no problem. So I've seen a machine that's running, that's proven. Yes, it was a brand new machine, it was their demo. They effectively stripped it down and delivered it 2 weeks later, and within a day and a half we were cutting, and
Amazing.
Actually it hasn't stopped since. I knew that the guys that I've got here would very quickly be able to pick it up and run it. I mean, they're programming 3, 4 and 5 axis milling machines, so 2 axis wire cutting is actually not that big a deal. Andy recommended that we get a certain piece of software so we can do offline programming, and actually most of the jobs that we're running on it now are small batches, sort of 10 off, 20 off, 30 off, and we're doing more processes on there that we would ordinarily have done on a milling machine.
So Ben, as a time-served CNC miller, you started using this machine with no prior experience in wire EDM. What was that like when the machine landed? What kind of training did you get?
It was a bit daunting to start with, but I'm quite confident in familiarising myself with machinery and controls. The support we got from the day it landed was superb. We were up and running with a job within 4 hours.
Wow.
From start to finish, setting up, familiarising with the auto feed wire, to then producing a component which came off right straight away.
And Ben, this is one of the parts that you guys first programmed when the machine landed. What is it?
It's part of an assembly that has many components, and apparently all these baffle acoustics, so stops vibration and stops it resonating.
Can you walk me through kind of which features are EDM, a wire cut?
So originally we had it on the milling machines, and we would mill out all these square pockets, all these holes down the end, and the component would probably take about 8.5 hours just for the machining, and then we'd have to go away to have these slots wired out. And these little corners taken out as well. We tried to do as much as we could on the milling machine originally, but as soon as the wirer came along, we wired all of this, all of the slots out ourselves, and all we needed was just pilot holes in each feature.
Fantastic. And how's the machine been running since?
It hasn't stopped. It is, with a little bit of, care and maintenance along the way, keeping it running, keeping it nice and clean, keeping everything fresh. It really hasn't stopped 6 months. We have a box of components and bits that have come off, and yeah, it's really impressive with it.
Absolutely amazing. So that's from zero, from being a CNC miller, not knowing anything about wire EDM, to running a machine flat out for 6 months. That's amazing. Thanks,
Very
Ben.
true, yeah.
So Andrew, what's been the impact of bringing wire capability in-house and working with Eurospark?
Working with Eurospark is really easy, I have to say. They're not a big company with loads and loads of red tape. The support is there straight away. I know that if I picked up the phone, one of the guys would A, be able to solve the problem, or be here the next day, which is really important for me. And to be honest, it was a no-brainer given the ease of working with them. And having the machine in has proven to be the right decision, because we're using it 10 hours of the day, 4/5 days of the week.
And what's been the impact on your customers as well?
It's given me the opportunity to go out and talk to the customers and just tell them the story all over again. Oh, and by the way, we've now got in-house wire cutting capability. It's just one more string to our bow, really.
Yeah. And can you put some numbers on it as well in terms of lead times, costs saved?
Well, the cost saving, to be quite honest with you, is probably around the cutters that we were getting through, because a lot of what we do is Inconel, but also you can wire cut features that are difficult to machine otherwise, certainly if you've got the wire cutter and the spark eroder, and in fact you've got increased capacity on your machining centres because the job's running on the wire machine.